Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from the August app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to go ahead and turn off notifications from the August app. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go into your settings tab of your phone. And then next, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says notification. Notifications is located above sounds and haptics. Click on notifications. Next, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says August. So click on August. And then notice here that there's a toggle on or off button. So right now I have it toggled on, which means that I'm going to get notifications from August app. But if I click on that toggle button, which is that green icon on the upper right hand corner, notice how all these settings now disappear because I've turned off notification. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications for your August app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.